Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Wallpaper Engine and locating the editor. This gets you into the import workflow immediately. Once done, import your source files, video, animated GIF, or an image sequence, because the engine optimizes performance differently per format. Make sure to set project resolution close to your monitor, e.g., 1920x 1080, so scaling artifacts are minimized. You do this now to avoid rework later, and to let the app build previews while you proceed to tweak properties. Next, you configure the wallpaper's behavior and visuals so it fits your system and taste. Start by setting FPS and loop options for smooth playback, lower FPS or resolution to save GPU, and mute or scale audio as needed. Then add layers or effects, parallax, particles, or a web layer, and tweak opacity and blending to keep clarity. Once configured, use the preview window to confirm performance. Adjust the FPS limit or resolution if CPU/GPU usage spikes to avoid stutters. Finally, save and either export a local package or publish to Workshop so you can reuse it. Then apply the wallpaper to the desired monitor. Choose per monitor settings if you run mixed resolutions, and test for smooth playback across displays. If you encounter issues, first restart Wallpaper Engine and your GPU driver. Checking Steam overlays and closing heavy apps often fixes frame drops. Should problems persist, lower quality settings or resolution, because reducing workload is the fastest way to regain consistent performance.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.